My name is Jasoran. As the operation manager for company XYZ, we have to decide to have a meeting today to discuss about the problem that we are facing now. That's it. There is any problem now, guys?
Okay, sir. My name is Ikram, sir. I am behalf of the technician at our company. So yesterday, sir, we have a power trip at our power plant. As you know, sir, the power trip that we had yesterday is the cause of the today. So when we settle the problem at the power plant trip, then we will have a better solution, sir. So yesterday we find the cause of the problem. So we have found that I'm sharing my screen right now, sir. Um, I'll show you the details on what happened. Okay, sir. So
Please, sir.
can you see, sir, my screen?
Uh, not. Yeah, can. Can Ikram?
So, sir, our problem yesterday occurred at bus bar number 3. Okay, sir. So at bus
Okay.
bar, as you can see, the the is not a stable number, sir. I mean, like, we should have a stable number so that we don't have the problem that we had yesterday, like power trips or anything. We don't have a stable number, so that's why we had a problem yesterday. We have a trip at our power plant, so that is the problem that we had. That's also our problem.
Okay, Ikram. So we will ask our technologist, Mr. Fikri, on this matter. Mr. Fikri, is there any ways to method to overcome the problem that we are facing now?
Okay, yes, sir. Okay, yes, sir. Okay, I already see about the problem that Ikram says. Okay, for my opinion, this system has a problem because we using the small circuit breakers. So after this matter, I find a solutions for our problems. Okay, I will show you my solution. Okay, I will share the screen.
Please.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. This I using the you know about the Powerwall application?
What software is
Sir?
using now, Fikri? What software is using
Oh,
now?
I using the Powerwall applications for our simulation, so I can create a circuit that same in our power system generation. So after I create the circuit, I find a solution for our meters. Okay, for this circuit, let me run it first. Okay. Okay, after I using the biggest circuit breakers size than before, we can see that the power is run smoothly and it's in stable states. Okay, it means that our system is normal than before. Okay, you can see that for this circuit, I using a 5 bus bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you can see that the result for the bus bar 1 is 1.00 pu. The bus 2 is 0.921 pu. The bus 3 1.050 pu. The bus 4 1.031 pu. And 0.995 for bus 5. Okay, I using 2 loads. Okay, you can see that the current that flow is stable than before. That is the solution for our problem, sir. Okay.
Okay, Fikri.
Are you okay with
so
that,
Ikram, okay, Fikri. So Ikram, what do you think about the circuit breaker? Did you think guys can install it?
Yes, sir. I think this is a very good idea, sir. I was also having thoughts on the circuit breaker.
Okay.
So when the circuit breaker size is bigger, it will surely help our system, sir. Because now we are using the smaller size. So when we are using a bigger size, then our current flow and the power flow will be smooth. Like like how Mr. Fikri is showing, this is the same exact replica of our power plant system, sir. So I think yes, we can install the bigger circuit breaker because all also at the same position, the circuit breaker. So on behalf of our team, sir, yeah, we can install this one, sir. We can do it, sir.
Okay, okay, Ikram. So Mr. Fikri is changing the size of the circuit breaker. Is he going to help us for a long time?
Yes, sir. Yes. If we install the biggest size than before for circuit breakers, we can maintenance it about once a year. Okay. If we use the current one size circuit breaker, we have to maintenance it about twice a year. So this means that we can save our cost and it's more cheap than before. Okay.
Okay, Mr. Fikri.
So
So,
okay.
so, guys, got anything else?
Yes, sir. Yes. I hope for a future we have to install a power capacitor bank. Okay, because if we install the capacitor bank, in the future, the current supplies in our power plant is stable, and it will not cause over currents and trips. And it will become stable, more stable than we use it now. That's for me, sir.
This is our future plan. Everyone agree with this idea, Ikram?
Yes, sir. We can install the power bank capacitor, sir. Yes, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Can.
We think that installing the capacitor bank is a good idea, sir. Mr. Fikri has proposed the idea to install a capacitor bank. It will surely help us in the power plant system because we will have when overcurrent or anything problems like that, the capacitor bank, sir.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Fikri, and behalf of our technologists and Ikram on behalf of our technologists. So we will end this session now. I will see you guys again next week.
Okay. Thank you, sir.